Hi there, creative friends. Today we are going to make this interesting pop-up card. It's quite a tongue twister, but it's easy to make. To make this card, you need some cardstock for the bases and the mechanism, some pattern paper and embellishments, and a sentiment. For the basis of the card and the mechanism, you need to cut the following. The card is 30 centimeters by 10 centimeters, and you score on the center line, like that. Then, for the mechanism, you need to cut a piece 9 by 20 centimeters. You score in the center, and then you measure from each corner 5.5 centimeters, and diagonally you score across. Then the part that pops up is 24 centimeters by 9 centimeters, and you score on line 6 centimeters, the 12 centimeter line, and the 18 centimeter line. That is the basis. To make the mechanism, first fold on the horizontal score line and burnish. And then fold on the 2 diagonal score lines and burnish as well. Then fold the 2 legs in so that it forms a bit of an arrow, and you can see a distinctive triangle like I've done in the example. Burnish well again. You will see a triangle on both sides if you turn it over. Here I cut the pop-up piece that sits on the mechanism inside the card and scored it on the 6, 12 and 18 centimeter lines. For a focal point on my card, I chose one of these funky little images. I quite like the doggy. The card that I'm making is a birthday card for somebody in my family, and I think he will really like this. Now I need some complementing pattern paper and maybe some gold cardstock to lay behind my focal point and sentiment on the front of the card. For the inside of the card, I also cut 2 pieces of pattern cardstock. I cut it a little bit smaller to give it a frame, about 1/2 centimeter right around. Now we can insert the mechanism. Place it with the triangular point facing the center of the card, with the point of the triangle in the fold. Only add glue to the triangle and close the card. When you open the card, you will see that the mechanism is glued to the front page of the card. Now add glue to the second triangle and fold the card over again. When you open the card, you will see the mechanism works. For the pop-up part, I cut the first layer in the green cardstock before I adhered it to the mechanism inside the card. To adhere the pop-up part onto the mechanism, you need to find the center of the mechanism. You can measure it, it makes it easier. And then you place the top-up part down on the mechanism. First you fold over the right-hand panel and add some glue in the top square like I've done in the video and glue it down, and then you go to the left-hand panel, fold it over, and the bottom square you add your glue there and you fold the panel back. And there is your pop-up card. Our card is almost done, and we can concentrate now on decorating, the nice part of putting a card together. I use this quickie glue pen to glue the delicate pieces to the card, like the sentiment that is die cut. I raised the focal point by cutting a piece of cardboard and adhered it to the back of the sentiment before I glued it to the card. The pop-up part has 4 panels, and I only decorated 2 of the 4 panels. The other 2 I added some white cardstock where I want to write a personal birthday message for the birthday boy. There was something missing on the front, so I added another piece. It looks like a little tag popping out behind the focal point, just to make it a little bit more full. And that's it. The card is done. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.